What's the meaning of computer literate? Computer literate. Computer literate.
Computer literate. Computer literate. Computer literate refers to someone who has the ability to use computers and related technology effectively. This means that they possess knowledge of computer hardware, software, and operating systems, as well as the skills necessary to navigate and utilize various applications and programs. Being computer literate is an essential skill in today's technologically advanced world, as it allows individuals to communicate, access information, and complete tasks efficiently. With technology rapidly evolving, individuals must continue to develop their computer literacy skills to remain competitive in the workforce and successfully navigate daily life.